Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a bad timing chain or timing belt tensioner? The timing tensioner can be located right behind the timing cover, or it can be mounted on the outside of the timing cover. The purpose of the timing tensioner is to apply tension against the timing pulley, and the timing pulley is going to push against the timing belt, and that's what's holding the timing belt in place. If you have a timing chain, the timing tensioner is going to push against the timing guide, and this is going to keep the timing chain in place. There are two different types of timing tensioner. One is going to be hydraulic, another one is going to be mechanical, which is going to be spring-loaded. For some vehicles, when the oil level falls extremely low, the hydraulic timing tensioner may not work properly, and you're going to notice all sorts of timing issues. When the timing tensioner starts to fail, the first thing you may notice is you're going to get some sort of timing codes. For example, you may get a P0016, P0017, and P0018 codes. When your timing tensioner becomes weak and is not applying enough tension, this can cause the timing belt or timing chain to jump a few teeth, and you're going to have engine performance issues. When the timing belt or timing chain jump a few teeth, the valves will not open and close all the way, and this will cause low compression. When you have low compression, again, this can affect how the engine is going to perform. For example, you're going to have an engine misfire, you're going to experience rough idle, you're going to notice it is difficult to accelerate, you're going to notice low power, and overall, your engine is going to run sluggish. And if your engine has a timing chain, and when the timing tensioner becomes weak, you're going to notice rattling noise, especially at startup. If the timing tensioner is extremely weak, you may start to experience hard start and possibly no start. If the vehicle is not starting due to low compression, it is possible that the valves are bent, or if it's not starting again, maybe the crankshaft position sensor is not getting a good reading for the timing because timing is off. If you have an interference engine and when timing jump, this can definitely bend the valves, and you have a non-interference engine and when timing jump, this will not affect the valves at all. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.